What's up, lawn dogs? Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Hey, today we are going to put this buyer's bracket on, spool bracket on the trailer. Also going to show you a little video of our little quarantine dance party we did with the family. So stick around, check it out, and hey, like, subscribe, hit the bell. That way we know you know when I'm posting these things, and join us for lawn dog coffee in the mornings. All right. Well, we'll be back in a minute. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, lawn dogs, so the first thing we're going to do is unbox this thing. Let's see what we got here. Ugh. There's the hardware, the bracket, instructions. We don't need no stinking instructions. And the other part of the bracket. So, like that. Okay? So that's kind of how it goes. Whether it's on top or bottom, I don't think it matters. I don't know. We'll look at it. Imagine this can be on top. But anyway, that's what we got. So pretty simple. Two brackets go together to make one. And the hardware bag. So, let's get started putting this thing together. Alright, lawn dogs, first thing I'm going to do is mark my holes here. Just using a black Sharpie. And get this thing lined up where I wanted to. I made sure it didn't interfere with the trimmers at all. I was going to put it over here, but I realized I get in and out of here a lot right here with the gas cans. So I sent it over here, and it doesn't interfere with the trimmers this way. So we're going to put it right here. The reel will be sitting here. It will come out feed this way. Trimmers are right here. So I think it's a good spot. So we'll remove that. We're going to take our drill and drill through. Got my drill bit. See how well this is going. Windy today. Dead. I'm gonna go get a new battery. I didn't know how much charge was left on that. Alright, let's take a look. So, we are through. Woo! Alright, now we're gonna put this on here. And I want the line to come up this way. So I'm gonna line these up, and right now I'm just gonna get the bolts through. So get one bolt through. We'll get the other one through, which is right here. So I had to go out by 4-inch long bolts. It didn't come with 4-inch long bolts. So So we're good. It's on there. Now we got to adjust it. But actually, before we do that, we got to put these washers on. I don't know what this is. That goes through there. We're going to get these washers on here first. We got the nut and the washer here. Go underneath. These are 3/8, 16th bolts. And I'm just hand tightening them right now. I'll go get a wrench and socket here in a minute. I'm actually going to have to go get them. I forgot to grab them. Oh, my camera turned. Alright, so the bolts are on now. I just got to go get a wrench and socket and then tighten them down. But then I'm going to get my reel too. I want to see how wide this thing needs to be. So I'll be right back. So this is the problem I'm running into right now. Is some of my tools are at the shop. So all I got is my wrenches. My sockets are at the shop. So I'm going to have to figure out a solution to that right now, because I have tools in both places. I just need them. It sounds like I need more tools. Anyway, this is the reel I got. So I'm just going to measure it out here. Make sure this thing's wide enough for it. You don't want it too short and stuff, but you can always adjust it, you know. And I want it to come this way down, so it'll come down like that. So let me get through that. So we're there. She ain't going nowhere. Alright, that's pretty much it. We can put our spool on now. I got this the Oregon .095 line right here. That's what I'm putting on. So we're going to do that. And this is just leftovers from last year. So get it through the hole this way here. And you take the washer, your wing nut, put it on like that. And this is how you change it out too. So it's pretty simple. You know, put it on there, tighten it up. You don't want to make it too tight. You got your little cap on the end here. I guess you could turn it the other way, I don't know. But there you go. And we'll take the little spool. You got the little thing down here to wind it around so you don't lose it. Done. There it is. Ta-da! So that's it. Yeah, I know, I got the instructions out. I don't want to mess it up. Don't tell the wife. And that trying to look makes me look like a man if I do it without instructions, you know. Ruin my reputation. Anyway, time to clean up. Put this back. Thrilling for this video, I know. You guys are stumped on my ability to install this thing. Anyway, that is it. I like it. We'll see how it works this year. I get tired of throwing it around and get beat up. It's just driving me nuts. So, try to make it a little more secure. See how it works. Alright, GoPro, stop recording. Hi to everybody.
Hi. Hi guys. And this is what it looks like behind the scenes.
It's hot.
What do you do at 10:30 at night when you're in quarantine?
Oh, I'm sweating. Ma, you want my arm?
No, we're not done dancing.
I'm done dancing.
No.
I'm tired.
You didn't have any fun, did you?
I had no fun.
Oh, I
at
didn't
all.
want to do
I love
it.
you too. Sweaty. Oh my god. No. That's so gross.
How'd you guys like that dance party? Pretty good? My wife's idea. She's smart. We're just trying to liven things up a little bit with the quarantine. See how it can't work. I was gonna try to get my grandma's yard today done for her, but it looks like Saturday is supposed to be really nice, and honestly I'm a little cold, and I figure, you know, yeah, I could go do it. It's cold. If we were working, I'd be out working for sure, but why not wait for a nicer day? It's not like we're in a hurry. It's not like we're going anywhere, you know. I debate it. I feel bad sometimes because I'm not out doing things, but it's also my hands are tied still here. We had a big rally down in Lansing, which I fully support the rally. Okay, rally's a bad word. It wasn't a rally, it was a protest. So it was a protest. You know, I guess rally's on my mind because people thinking it was a big Trump rally, and that wasn't the intent of it. It was supposed to be a rally for us who are quarantined to get back to work, so we're not doing this extensive quarantine. Because I have a feeling our governor, knowing her, she's probably going to extend it even longer, and that's what we don't want. We want to get back to work. We'll be safe. We'll keep our distances. You know, especially lawn care. We're not around a lot of people. But it was a much needed protest, in my opinion. I wish I could have made it. I know the media's turned it into a big Trump rally here in Michigan, but it wasn't. That's not what it was. You know, they're gonna focus on those 3 or 4 cars that have flags up. You know, I don't know. Everybody's gonna read into it what they want to read into it in their own views. So it doesn't really matter anyway. We do need to get back to work here. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna try to go to my grandma's Saturday. The weather looks good. Looks warm. It's supposed to be up in the 60s, 50s, 60s. So I'm gonna head there, and then hopefully we'll have some of that footage for you on Sunday. But anyway, not much more going on. I got that in the mail. It showed up. Actually, I'm gonna go check the mail. You know, highlight of the day, running to the mail. I don't know if it's came yet or not. Maybe we'll get some stickers. You know, I've mailed out a lot of stickers, and I've only gotten a couple. You want to send me your sticker for the Toolbox of Tribute? I'll put it up there, and I'll send you one of mine. The address is below about me or in the description of the video. It's in all my descriptions. If you want to send me a sticker, I'll send you mine. And you'll have the first version of mine, version 1, because, you know, version 2 is going to come out after these run out. And I'm changing it a little bit, not much though. Alright, hey, go give maximum effort, make that green, and be kind to everyone. Everyone, be kind. Blue, red, everybody, be kind. That's Floyd, I'm out.